Imagine two students facing the same challenge. One believes their abilities are set in stone, while the other sees every mistake as a chance to grow. The difference? Their mindset. The way we think about our intelligence, skills, and potential shapes our entire life. Are you stuck in a fixed mindset, or do you embrace a growth mindset? Here are 5 key differences you need to know. Belief about intelligence and abilities. A fixed mindset assumes that intelligence and abilities are innate, meaning you're either born smart or you're not. People with this mindset believe talent alone determines success, so they avoid challenges that might expose their weaknesses. In contrast, a growth mindset sees intelligence as something that can be developed over time with effort and persistence. People with this mindset embrace challenges because they know struggle leads to improvement. Instead of fearing failure, they view it as a stepping stone to mastery. Response to challenges. When faced with a difficult task, those with a fixed mindset tend to give up easily. They believe that if something is hard, it means they're not good at it. Failure feels like a personal shortcoming rather than a learning opportunity. As a result, they often avoid difficult situations to protect their self-image. On the other hand, individuals with a growth mindset see challenges as opportunities to stretch their abilities. They understand that success requires effort, and they persist even when things get tough. Rather than being discouraged by setbacks, they analyze their mistakes, adjust their approach, and keep going. Attitude towards effort. People with a fixed mindset view effort as a sign of weakness. They assume that if they were truly talented or smart, they wouldn't need to try so hard. As a result, they often coast through life, sticking to what they know and avoiding anything that requires serious effort. In contrast, those with a growth mindset see effort as the path to success. They believe that every bit of hard work strengthens their abilities and moves them closer to their goals. Whether it's learning a new language, mastering a skill, or improving at a sport, they understand that consistent effort leads to progress. Reaction to criticism and feedback. A fixed mindset makes people highly sensitive to criticism. They take negative feedback personally and see it as proof that they're not good enough. Instead of learning from constructive feedback, they may feel defensive, ignore it, or even avoid situations where they might be judged. A growth mindset welcomes feedback as a tool for self-improvement. People with this mindset understand that criticism isn't a personal attack, it's valuable information that can help them grow. They seek advice from mentors, listen to constructive criticism, and use it to refine their skills and strategies. View on success of others. Someone with a fixed mindset often feels threatened by other people's success. Seeing others excel makes them feel inferior because they believe talent is fixed. Instead of being inspired, they may downplay others' achievements or make excuses for why they themselves haven't succeeded. Conversely, a growth mindset allows people to be genuinely happy for others' success. They see it as proof that improvement is possible with hard work and dedication. Rather than feeling envious, they look for lessons in others' journeys and use them as motivation to push themselves further.